eflexonics, holistic technology brokers. Business to business tech blog. Explanation of our concept. eflexonics was designed to support businesses within the local community of the Fraser Valley and surrounding areas. We are a business-to-business blog podcast show. This is a free service, and our concept of networking includes any business that either uses or supports technology for the business owner. Let's show you what we do. ABC Computer Company repairs, sells, and services computers, networks, servers, notebooks, and supports some software programs for business applications. This concept can also cover complementary businesses that can work with the computer company. For example, other technologies such as printers, fax, scanners, cell phones, and other business-related devices that the client uses on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. In other words, consumables. Hey, don't forget about the company's blog, podcast show, or web page that advertises on the internet. Clients need a good web developer as well as a programmer if they're going to have apps written for them for the mobile, the cell phone market. This form of advertising is growing faster than most of us can keep up. Acme Trucking Company uses computers, notebooks, and software, but needs to go to several different sources to find the experts to help them run their businesses effectively and efficiently. Think of all the things that are needed to keep a business going. They also want to know about the latest technology on the market that can help their business be much more effective and efficient. As the business grows, Acme Trucking is going to need to work with a company that can deliver new technology, keep existing technologies working, and phase out older technologies that are either not supported anymore or cost too much to keep working with. Helping each other. ABC Computer Services want to expand their client base, secure future growth in the marketplace, and diversify their potential within their industry. Acme Trucking Company just wants a solution, someone who can do it all for them or can network with someone who can do it all. They want a one-stop shopping experience for their business-based technical needs. eflexonics can help. Our marketing department will research and approach local businesses that can help support other business owners in the technical field. We invite the techies to be interviewed on our blog podcast show in order to gain more exposure for them and to help their business grow. Wait, this program isn't just for techies. It's for anyone who uses technology in any way for business. Business owners that use technology on any level can benefit from the eflexonics program. We talk to, interview, blog about, and podcast for regular business owners who don't know that much about technology. We find out what you're using, then match you up with the techies that can make it all work, and ka-ching, you may find some technology that can immensely help your business now and in the future. So what's the catch? Glad you asked. Rick Holland, the founder and creator of eflexonics, is an electronics and computer technologist. He was also a second-level support technician and part of the training and development department of one of the largest technically based call centers in North America. He understands how frustrating using technology can be. See our podcast about the black and white laser printer that suddenly started to print in color. True story. Real-world tech, real situations. Technology changes so fast that it can be very difficult for business owners to keep up. For example, did you know that you can take credit card payments for your business through your iPhone? eflexonics loves to research practical, useful business trends, applications, gadgets, and reviews for your business. Then, put them on our shows and blog. Everyone wins. We want to be known as the most usable and useful technically based business directory in the Fraser Valley and surrounding area. Networking together on a single point of contact, our blog, has many benefits. You can suggest a technical topic for our show, and we'll bring in the experts to talk about it. It could even be you. We also list all of the businesses on the blog so you can find professional goods and services with just a click of the mouse. Here's Rick and Pat in the studio completing a podcast. As well as our podcast shows, we have an interesting and unique educational platform that talks about popular software such as QuickBooks, Word, email programs, basic web design, and many other subjects. It's called Tootcasts, and that stands for Totally Organized Original Tutorials. This is very much an open community where we share tips and tricks for the business owner to show them how technology can help their business grow. It's fun, educational, inspirational, and productive as well. Feel free to join our community either as a guest on our show or as a business owner looking for answers. We think you'll find a great resource on our blog and our podcast show. Navigating our blog and podcast show is easy. On the next slide, we present some steps on how to get around. If you know someone who you think would benefit from being on our show, we would be very interested in talking to them. It may be helpful just to send them this slideshow in order to explain what we're all about. Are you ready for the blog tour? Great. Let's get started. Our navigation bar on the top of the blog tour is self-explanatory. Spend as much time as you like perusing our information. The podcast shows have a great mix of high-tech, reviews, adventure, interviews, as well as fascinating blog entries from the top technical and business-to-business blogs on the internet today. We're plugged in and do the research for you. If there is something of particular interest that you don't see on our blog, send us an email and we'll try to put together a comprehensive podcast or tutorial about it. And we'll even give you the credit. Now that's something everyone can enjoy. That's it, our concept in a nutshell. We hope you've enjoyed our platform and our tour of our blog. We are extremely passionate about what we do, and that ensures that when we network with other businesses, we add credibility, honesty, integrity, and a strong desire to succeed in today's competitive marketplace. We love the saying that goes like this: if you help enough people get what they want, you'll always get what you want. Thanks for viewing this presentation. Rick and Pat.